How to log in into your Temu account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Temu account, and it's really easy. So let's begin. First, if you don't have your Temu, just go to your App Store and go to the search bar and search for Temu. After you search for it, this is the app that you want to download. Now you can update it if you want, and after you've done that, you simply need to open up Temu. After you open your Temu, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to Use section here on the bottom. After you do that, on the top you will see sign in/register. Now tap on sign in. Now since I was already logged into it, it's showing me my account. Now for you guys, it will show something like this. Now here you can log in using your Apple, you can log in using your Google, you can log in using your Facebook, your email, and even your phone number. Now if you don't have an account, you can create your account from here too. The simplest method is by logging in with your Google. Tap on it and tap on continue. After you've done that, just select your account and tap on continue. And after you've done that, you are now logged in into your account, and that is basically it. That is how you log in into your Temu account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.